Hello everyone, welcome to ecBill. In this video we'll see how to manage multi-MRP or multi-sales rate for single product. First we'll see what is mean by multi-MRP for single product. If single product having multiple MRP prices. Let's get start with the video now. For that, while doing purchase entry itself, we need to set multi-MRP or multi-sales rate. It will reflect in sales while doing sales entry. We will get pop-up window. We can select the required one. Like this we are doing for another product. Once item selected means, save the sales entry. Suppose if we didn't get the multi-MRP means in sales page means. Check whether single MRP product no enabled. If suppose yes enabled means we won't get in sales page. Thank you.